Hi, we're back. So here is after 6 minutes in the microwave. It's already started going melted. And all you do is stir in your sugar. It's 12 ounces of sugar. You stir that in, and your 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. Ooh. You stir that in. Okay. Now I made the mistake of leaving this uncovered once before, but I don't suggest you do that. So now I suggest you put the cover back on, fresh one. And again, pop some holes in there. And then we're going to put this back in the microwave. I'm going to do it for 10 minutes first, and then I'm going to stir it halfway through, and then I'm going to put it on for another 10 minutes, I'm sorry, so it's 20 minutes in total, and you will have the best tasting, easiest jam ever. I've done this with strawberries because this was our favourite, but it does actually work with most soft fruits. Okay, so sugar's in, lemon's in the microwave, 10 minutes first of all, and I'll join you back up after the 10 minutes.